Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to the channel Language Lover. So, in today's video, we are going to study days of the week in 3 different languages: French, English, and German. So, let us begin with French language. Jour de la semaine en français. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Now in English: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now in German language: Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. So here we come at the end of the video. Before I end this video, I have a small request for you all. Please do repeat whatever I have spoken, and after repeating it, you have to answer one question. The question is in French language: C'est quel jour aujourd'hui? What's the day today? Aujourd'hui, c'était lundi. Today, it's Monday. So please try to write in your own languages, whether in French, English, or German. Thank you so much for today. Merci beaucoup. We'll meet next time. Now you can subscribe this channel and connect with us in this language journey. Thank you.